Welcome back, everybody. Well, here we go. I've already taken off all the plenum intake bolts. As you can tell, it's loose now. I had to take this part out too, and that was attached to here. And then as well, remember I told you guys that I took this guy off here, off of this piece back here. So now I still have a problem. As I said, we're going to be going this together. And I started to find out that as I was pulling this guy up, that we have this hose right here. It's attached, it's actually a coolant hose. It's attached to the plenum itself, and it cools off, I guess, in this layer of it here. And so this hose right here is actually connected to that, to this right here. As you can tell, it's part of this. It's actually part of that, the thermostat housing, and it's just fluid goes in there, the coolant goes through there, passes through there to the heater core on the other side, but then it tees off and it goes into this hose. So I end up taking this part off, and then I thought I was scot-free, but no, always right. There's another hose which I just taken off, and it's actually this one right here, which was attached to that. Oops, sorry guys. It was attached to that one right there. You guys can see that. So in order to be able to, and then disconnect that right there, or the throttle body. So then that'll let you disconnect the actual plenum. So you're able to lift this guy on out and put it to the side. There you go, that's what it looks like. That's what that looks like. That'll help you guys out. As we proceed on, I will keep looking and seeing what I need to take off.